Hi guys, this is another video of RCSP. Today we're going to be learning how to assemble a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So now let's get started. This is the core of the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So first take the core, take one of these pieces, and take two of these smaller pieces here, like that. Pair up one with that. Looks like this. Grab them with one hand like this. Then slip them into this notch. They should interlock with each other. If they don't, then you assembled it wrong. Okay, so one of these. And now take this piece and try to slip it into there. Hey, focus camera. Okay, now we've got it. This should look like something like this. Okay, let's make the other one. Set aside for one moment. Then take one of these, no, two of these. Again, pair them up like that. Take your core and again interlock them with the existing core pieces. Wait a sec. Okay, take the other one and slip it into there. Okay, this should look like a V after you finished. Okay, take one of these centerpieces and slip them there. Doesn't matter what color, okay? Take one of these edges, put them there. Take one of the other edge, put it there. Now, corner. This looks like that. Slip them in. Very gently, because if you overdo it, then it will slide out. The whole thing will just break apart. So easy does it. Okay, now take centerpiece, put it there. Another centerpiece, put it there. An edge piece, put it right there. Okay, now. Oop. Sorry, guys. Take one of these. Put it there. This way. Now take this. Put it right there. Take another one. Make sure it stays stable or the whole thing will break apart. Okay, now this is one finished corner. There. So do that for the other 4 corners. Again, take 2 of these. Take 1 of this. That. Again, put it there. Okay, so now it's another V here. So you do the same steps as just now. Okay, after you get to the corner, this is something you need to know. This corner here is green and white. So this other corner should also be green and white as well. So find the green and white corner, which is there. Okay, so you have to align the corners. Or this the cube will not be solvable, okay? So, okay, now do the same steps as just now again. We got the corner piece. And again, put 1 of these there. And 1 of these. Ooh. Okay, so now we have 2 corners. The 3rd corner will be a lot easier. Again, take 2 and 1 of these. This. Slip them into the notch here. Now, take 1 of these. Place them there. Just like that. Now, there are 2 V's now, so you can make 2 corners at once. That's why it's a little easier than the others, just as I said. Okay, again, when you reach the corner, you have to see which corner you have to put in, or the cube will be solvable. Okay, here. Yes. Hey, no, not this one. This one? No. This one. Okay, no, not as well. This one. Okay, so now I want these. Hey, no. Should be centerpiece. Centerpiece. Edge. Now, again, just find 1 of these clip them in there. Right there. Put this in as well. And now we have finished 3 corners, and we have 1 corner left. Again, corner. Center, center, this one, there, fits in perfectly. Now take another one of these and put it there. These, there as well. One of these, put it there. Okay, now we've finished 4 corners. Okay, since we've finished the first 2 layers, I think it's now time to take a little break. And thank you for watching part 1 of how to assemble a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Remember to come back and see part 2. This is RCSP. Remember to rate, subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.